in this building community, the Apostleship of Prayer, for your 21st anniversary. 21 years would not have been possible if not for the work done by those who came ahead of you. I'm referring to the officers and members of the AP Center A long before this 21 years. From the very start of its foundation here at Malagul Council Parish, up to this time, where the new officers have taken over the responsibility to keep the spirituality of the Most Sacred Heart of Jesus, for which this center, this Apostleship of Prayer, has been devoted to and committed to in its mission, its work. Secondly, referring now to what I earlier said about nothing happens by coincidence. And one of the coincidences that happened are the choice of the songs that you made. No practice, real practice, it's the same. The same in the sense that the choice of the two songs reflect in a way what really happened in 21 years of existence here in this parish. 21 years would not have happened if you had not hold on together. How am I? How am I? And you have really made that choice. And I guess the choice of song really did not happen by coincidence. And maybe it's Sacred Heart of Jesus telling the truth that you really need to hold on together. If you want to remain, to exist, if you want to remain relevant, if you want to continue the mission that has been entrusted to you by the Most Sacred Heart of Jesus, you have to hold on together. And I think the officers in the past and even the officers now really made it a point that whatever happened to this center, that as long as you hold on together, whether you are big in number or small in number, holding together, things will be possible. And everything will be possible. And then, the last song that you have made, I Will Be Here. I Will Be Here. So all of us, priests, sisters who have been assigned here, who have been your counselor or your persons who have accompanied you, and all of us here, the different centers that also have shown their support, celebrating with you in your achievements that you have made, successes that you have made, as long as this I will be here in the spirit of that, that your group will continue to exist. So nothing happens by coincidence. So remember those two songs in your celebration of your 21 years. And lastly, 20 plus 1 is 21. Now, the new officers start with number 1. It says something, that you need to be united, because you are the officer of the 21 years of the Apostleship of Prayer here. You have to remain as one. One thought, one heart, one mission. That is the challenge of the 21 years celebration for the new officers. And I hope that just as the previous officers have really made their commitment and contribution for the continuation of this group, that this is the challenge that is set to the new officers as you celebrate your 21 years. Hold on together, and we will always be there for you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Father.
So we sing happy anniversary to you. So with this candle that's now lighted, we ask the Most Sacred Heart of Jesus to continue to accompany the Center 8, especially with the student officers, the promoters, the members, and everybody who is responsible for this celebration. We sing happy anniversary. Happy anniversary.
kinder lang eh.
Para siyang kinder.
Nursery pa lang yan.
Ah, nursery gali na. Ga.
Nursery ka pa lang?
Abi ko kinder.